Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for tandoori turkey. Of course you can make it with chicken if you wanted to. We're always looking for something new to try every year, and for this whole year into new year you can try my tandoori chicken or turkey recipe. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. It's going to be a very delicious recipe for you to try. To start this, I'm using low-fat yogurt. You can use whole milk yogurt or Greek yogurt. And to that, I'm adding in my fresh ginger. Next goes in roasted cumin, also known as geera, chili powder, which is a mild chili, turmeric powder, some cumin powder, and remember all ingredients are listed in the description box. Garam masala, hot chili powder, which is optional, we like it spicy, red food coloring, which is going to give it that beautiful red color it's known for, coriander powder, and green seasoning. I'm just going to give this a quick mix. Now you'll say, where is the tandoori powder? Guess what? We're going to go in with the tandoori powder now. So I'm adding in my favorite brand. You use whatever brand you like or whatever brand you can get your hands on. Once it comes together, we're going to set that aside and let's prepare our turkey. Now my turkey has already been washed and cleaned, and I'm going in with salt and pepper to taste, just to add some more flavor to the turkey itself. And I also made some cuts into the entire turkey. So in the legs and the wings and the breast, I'm going to add half of my mixture on the turkey and start mixing that in. You want to mix it in really well. You want that marinade to get into all of the cuts. Flip the turkey over and put the rest of marinade on the other side while rubbing it in vigorously. You want it to get into that meat really well. And this is going to marinate overnight, which is best. You can try a couple of hours, but overnight really is best. So cover it and marinate overnight. And the next day, we'll be able to grill it off. Now I'm grilling it. If you wanted to, you can bake it. So I'm using my convector here. You have to use your convector when you're using your big green egg because it helps you to cook it perfectly, like if you're cooking it in an oven without burning the bird. And you're baking that at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it was at that temperature there for me, so we removed the convector, and now my husband helped me here and we placed it back onto the direct fire. So what we're going to do now is continue to cook it until it reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to add that beautiful char on the outside of the turkey. It's going to give it a really smoky flavor. You know, this is Indian barbecue, right? So you have to do this part. So you can do it in your oven and then you can bring it over to your grill and finish it off like this. And once it's nice and charred, it's now ready to be enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, easy, and delicious tandoori turkey recipe. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, have a happy new year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.